Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will explore the Distort tool in Photoshop. We will learn how to utilize this tool and the various possibilities it offers. So our objective is to seamlessly place an image on a wall using the Distort tool. For practice, I have chosen this image from Pexels. I will also provide you the link in description. We will be framing some beautiful flowers within this blank canvas. Let's get started. Create a rectangular frame of the desired size and apply a sharp color like red. Lower the opacity to ensure visibility of the background. Now press Ctrl plus T to activate the transform tool. Then right click and select Distort. Adjust the frame according to the wall perspective and click OK. Next, convert the layer to a smart object. Double click on it, open the rectangle. Go to File, then Place Embedded and select the flowers image. Adjust its size accordingly. Then press Ctrl Alt G to create a clipping mask. Finally, adjust the opacity as needed. Once satisfied, save and close the file. As you can see, we have seamlessly integrated the flowers into the frame using the Distort tool. This technique can be applied to various other purposes as well. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing.